Not everyone likes to make 100 transactions a day to make money in crypto. There are some of us who just wants to hold crypto and make money out of it. And that's exactly what we will see in today's video. Welcome to 5x Crypto. This is the third episode of Stellar Earnings. You can check out the rest of the videos, which is just 2 videos in our playlist section. By the way, the bribe incentives that we discussed in our previous vlog has just increased significantly on the Aquarius due to the updates that are coming on Aquarius. Just letting you know, because we are not going to cover that part in today's video. Just letting you know that you have all the information related to Aquarius bribes in our previous vlog. And in this video, let's start with this. This is Blend Capital built on Stellar, and here you get some juicy rewards on your cryptos. You get the best incentives on your stable coins as well. You can see the list of pools listed over here. You can choose any of the pool where you can provide your assets or deposit your assets and chill. That's it. You just have to chill after depositing your crypto over here, and you would be earning daily incentives, or not just daily but regular incentives. You can just simply click on this option of claim pool emissions to get your juicy rewards. And you can see the APY rate, which is 10.9% for USDC. Though the XLM rate over here is almost 0, but I will show you how you can make more on XLM using a trick that I will be revealing later in this video. So you can get 10.79% on EURC as well, and that's not it. You can also click on this option of your backstop, and over here you can see that the combined APY or APR is more than, it is almost 66%, which is quite great for the crypto. But the 80% of the deposits will go towards the native token of Blend Capital, which is Blend, and the 20% will be in USDC. So any increase in Blend price will also make an increment in your deposits. So this is a win-win situation in a bullish market. And if we check out the other ways, let's go to the markets and select this pool. And over here you get the percentage of almost 14% on the USDC, and for the EURC you get more than 10%, which is quite huge. And if we check out the backstop over here, then you get 53 or 54% on the backstop rewards. This is quite huge. Now let's check out how you can make more on your XLM deposits. For that, just simply select the lower pools, and over here just deposit your XLM. Now you might be wondering that the APY is almost 0 over here as well, but when we click on the borrow option over here, and if we borrow the USDX, that will give us a net of 6.68% on the amount that we will borrow. So that's almost like earning on your XLMs, and you can either convert your incentives to XLM or just simply deposit them in the backstop of any of the pools which is giving the highest returns, and you can just simply check them out by just clicking on them. This is how easy it is. Now if we check out this one, then you can see that after depositing XLM you would be able to make more than 7% over here, and we were earning a net of around 6% in the previous pool. So this way you can check out the different strategies. These rates changes as per the deposits and the borrowings on this protocol, so you just have to check them once in a while, not regularly. You don't have to make 100 transactions, you just have to deposit. And if you want to make more money, then you can also play around with the borrowings and the supply and some other ways that we will discuss in our upcoming episodes of this series. So these are some easy ways that you can utilize to make money. Now, if you just want to hold crypto, then this is the way. You can earn as much as 6% using this method. And for this, you can earn the incentives on the native token of Stellar, which is XLM, or the Lumen, which just got renamed later on. And you can also earn the incentives on USDC and Bitcoin and Ether. You can see the rates over here, and all you have to do is just use a Stellar wallet and convert your XLM or any of the asset, the listed ones over here, to Y assets. Like for the XLM, you would have to convert it to YXLM. For USDC, you would have to convert it to YUSDC. And in the respective way, you can just simply convert Bitcoin or Ethereum as well to Y assets, and you just have to hold them, nothing else. You don't have to do anything at all. You just have to hold them in your wallet, and the yields will be coming directly to your wallet on daily basis. And this is going to be a compounding interest rate, because all the incentives that you will receive daily in your wallet, the next day incentives will be counted on the initial amount plus the incentives that you are getting daily. So this way you would be getting a compounding effect in your incentives, and this is how easy it is to make money on Stellar. I hope this quick guide to lazy money was helpful, and if you have got any questions, simply comment down below. And if you want to see more such helpful videos, just simply hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to hit that like button if you really like this video. See you in the next video on next Sunday, and in between I will also upload some other videos.